Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so you guys have an Audi and you guys have a EPC light on the dash. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what it is and what you can do about it. So basically, this EPC light is essentially a warning light on your instrument cluster. It's on your dash. So basically what happens when that light gets lit up is you get obviously a warning light, a loss of power, and performance on your Audi is gonna be pretty sluggish. And obviously if you get that stuff happening to your car, you know that there's something off about it. And typically speaking, something is wrong, but it might not be an engine issue. Instead, a variety of things could trigger the EPC warning light. So EPC stands for electronic power control, which is a computerized ignition and engine management system, and this system is used in many of the vehicles of the under Volkswagen. So if you guys have an Audi, a Porsche, and a Volkswagen, you know, all these vehicles are likely to have an EPC warning light. Originally, it was designed to manage ignition and your throttle functions, but it also now includes the oversight of a bunch of different electronic systems, like the electronic stability control system and the cruise control system. So normally your vehicle's electronic control system, which is electronic control unit, which is the computer of the car, which pretty much enables the engine, drivetrain, and other systems to operate properly. The EPC essentially works with the ECU to monitor functions, and if any of those things go wrong, the EPC flashes a warning light on the dash. Also at the same time, depending on the malfunction, the check engine light will come on also. The cruise control could turn itself off, and the electronic stability control might stop functioning as well. So to try to protect the engine from damage, the EPC will probably activate a limp mode, and this will probably lower the power of your engine substantially, and it'll give you the impression that the car is almost on the verge of stalling on you. A lot of times the engine will continue, it'll continue to run, but it'll enabling you to it'll continue to run, but you're gonna shift things. It'll continue to run, but it's gonna be, you're gonna be limping along, quote unquote, so to speak. So what do you do when the EPC light comes on? So basically, an EPC warning light could be an indicator of a minor problem or a very serious problem. It kind of depends on the situation, but if the light comes on immediately, it's probably a good idea to try to figure out what's causing it. You could try to figure out yourself or go to technician. But in any case, you can drive with the PC light warning on, but you could run the risk of damaging the engine. So to help prevent that, the EPC lights, the EPC system's limp home mode might might activate, which makes the vehicle sluggish, but you still be able to drive it. Even if the car seems to be operating normally, everything else might be operating normally, you might not want to drive with the PC lights on, and you might want to take it to somebody to check out the issue. So the best way to figure out the reason why the PC light comes on is to, if you have an OBD2 scanner, definitely get one of those and scan the codes to see what is actually causing this issue. In any case, that's what the EPC system is. And if you guys have any questions, definitely leave a question in the comments section. Any comments at all, leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe and please give this video a thumbs up, guys. All right, take care.